Matthew 4 verse 4. But Jesus told him, No, the scriptures say, people do not live by bread alone, but by every word that comes from the mouth of God. When we become alive unto God in the inner soul man by the working of the Holy Spirit, the spirit man must feed the word, the bread of life, on a continuous basis to the soul. Because the inner man we are, our soul and spirit, the food of the fleshly desires of the outer man cannot nourish him. Thus, when Jesus says in Matthew 4 verse 4 that man shall live from every word that proceeds from the mouth of God, he points to the reality of who we really are to the inner man, and that we must become conscious of our true identity of who we really are. We are genuinely spirit beings like our Father in heaven, having a natural experience. The born again soul experience the earthly natural from out of a heavenly reality.